morning. Welcome to Life with Larry. I want to talk to you today about eggplant. So, these eggplants we planted, during the summer sometime, and we were disappointed because it was putting on so many flowers. It would be loaded with flowers, and the next day we would come out and they would be gone. We didn't know if something was eating them or if they were just falling off. I couldn't find them on the ground. But what I did realize after doing some research is eggplant likes to have consistent watering. So if you look here, here's the flower, and the eggplant comes out of the center here. The outside flower will turn brown, the eggplant will grow here in the center, and this will fall off. And then this is what you will end up with. So now I have realized, or we have realized, Lenny and I, the trick to this is these need to be watered consistently. So every afternoon when we come home from work, Lenny comes out and waters the eggplant. So with consistent watering, and now that it's not as hot as it was, we are getting tons of eggplant. I don't think they really liked all the heat. So today, an exciting day, we are going to be cutting our first eggplant. And I love eggplant parmesan, but the tomatoes don't do very well with me. So I have realized that I just like the eggplant. Fry it like a cutlet, and then I'm going to do like a lemon butter sauce with a side of probably pasta for Lenny. So here we go. Our first exciting moment. We're going to cut our first eggplant, and then next weekend will be Christmas. So for Christmas Eve, I'm going to make, Lenny, am I saying this right? Baba ganoush?
Baba ganoush.
Baba ganoush is going to be one of our appetizers. So here we go. Let's cut this eggplant because I'm going to use it later in a dish. Ta-da! There we go. Beautiful. So there's our dinner for later. Here you go, Lenny. If you like us, please like and share. You guys have a blessed Christmas. That's next weekend. We have a little bit of rain, so I'm hoping for a little bit of cooler weather here in Florida. Thank you, guys. I'm sorry we haven't been around in a while, but back with Life with Larry. We'll be posting again soon. Have a blessed Christmas.